my name is Kelly Dell with offthebeadedpathbeadstore.com. I'm so excited you're joining me today because we are going to look at a brand new bead on the market. It's distributed by the Bead Smith Company and it is called the Weave Bead. So I was telling some of my customers in a Zoom class the other day about the Weave Bead and how, without in hand, it looked similar to Potomac's Storm Duo. So one of the ladies in class said, hey, when the Weave Bead comes in, will you do a video and show the two beads side by side and see if there's any differences? I said, absolutely, I will. So that's what we're going to look at today. We are going to compare the new Weave Bead by the Bead Smith Company to the Storm Duo, which is by Potomac Beads. Now, I am not here to say that one is better than the other or that you should use one or the other. I am bringing you information and it is up to you to judge which one you like or you don't like, or you may love them both. So we're just going to look at them and see the difference in the two beads. Now, I will tell you this, I have not opened the packages. I ordered some Storm Duos from Potomac and I ordered Weave Beads from the Bead Smith, and I have not opened them, so it's going to be as new to me as it is to you, and you will see in real time my reaction to these beads as we go through. So let's go ahead and look at the difference and get started. All right, so I have opened up my bags and just laid out a few of each thing here. So these two here on the left, these are from Potomac Beads. So this purple color I'm looking at is the Magic Violet, or Metallic Violet, I'm sorry. And this one here is the Crystal Etched Vitriol. Now, they say these are a 7x3, or you can say a 3x7, whatever you want. But this is how Potomac, this is a factory pack you can get on their website of the Storm Duo. And then, again, this was an 8-gram package here of the violet. So this color is an 8-gram package that you get from the Bead Smith. This one is Chalk White Glaze. And then this one is one of my favorite colors of any bead, the Violet Rainbow. And this is a factory pack from them. You can see they say theirs is a 3x7 wave bead. So all 4 of these beads, no matter what brand, have 2 holes. So you can see there, I'm going to use 2 needles here to slide these in. All right, so that's 1. And how about we slide on one of each one first? Okay, so these are our Bead Smith here. And then these are going to be our Potomacs. So already, look at the difference there. Look at the size difference in those 2 beads. Okay, so let's put these on here. All right, so already you can see that there is a definite size difference in the 2 beads. Although they're marketed to be the same size, it looks like these beads here, which are the Bead Smith, it looks like these are just a tad bit smaller and skinnier than the ones from Potomac. All right, so right off the bat, that's one of the things that we see. So let's look now at their sizing. Since we see there is a definite little bit of a size difference here, I'm going to be using my little measuring apparatus here. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put this here on the end. All right, so on the side like this, it says this is 2.70. All right, now I'm going to turn it where I can see the holes. Okay, holding it this way, we have 2.88. And then if I put them end to end, which is a little bit hard because, of course, it is not a straight bead. But we're coming in well, might just have to lay it like this. Come on, little bead. Okay. So we've got 7.45 that way. All right, now that is the etched. Now let's take a look here at the purple. Okay, we have this way. I'm going to turn it to where I see the holes. All right, we're right at a 3 there. And then I'm going to turn it where we do not see the holes. And we are exactly at a 3. Okay, so those two are from Potomac. Now let's look at the ones from the Bead Smith Company. We're going to look at the ones where we see the hole first. Okay, we got 3.67 that way. I don't want to see the holes. These are shiny and they want to move on me. I might have to just use a needle here to hold on to it. That's what we'll do. Maybe this will keep it in check for me. There we go. All right, we got 2.7. Yep, 2.7 that way. And now let's do the length here. Let me grab a hold of it. Like I said, it's shiny and it's having a hard time. All right, and we are at a 6.79. Okay, so then let's go to this one. Let's measure this way first. Ooh, 2.53. And let's measure where we see the holes here. 3.5 that way. And now let's measure. Okay, this way. It looks like, let me move it a little bit further down here. 6.8. All right, so that is going to be our sizing. So the first thing I can kind of observe, or another thing, not the first thing, another thing that I observe is the holes. The holes in these Potomac beads look like they are nice, large size holes versus the holes here in the wave bead. You can see the holes are a little bit smaller, so maybe less thread passes through the holes on the wave bead. And let's see what they look lined up onto each other here. They're a really cool bead. I like the shape of the bead. So you can see this is what they look like this. To me, they look more rounded, a little bit more rounded than, say, these Storm Duos. So if we put them like this, it seems like the Storms have a little bit flatter of a top to them, top and bottom, a little bit flatter, a little bit wider, and the Waves definitely have a rounded top to them. So you can see there, that's mainly going to be your difference between the Storm Duo and the new Wave bead. All right, so you've seen the physical difference in the two beads. Now let's talk about price difference. So if you head over to Potomac Beads website, which we will put below in the description box, a package like this is going to run you anywhere from $5 and some odd change up to $9.99. Now that does not include, I did not look at the price of the metal Storm Duos that they have. So they may be a little bit more, I'm not sure. But that's going to be your price there. The new Wave bead by the Bead Smith Company looks like they're going to run you for 8 grams, which is about the same amount. It's going to run you anywhere from $2.65 up to $4.50 for this size package. Now you can also see the packaging difference. Wave beads are going to come, like if bead stores buy them like this, they're going to come in a package like this, and Potomac's puts theirs in a package like this. So you can see package difference. There is a price difference in the two. And my personal opinion, okay, this is just Kelly Dell's personal opinion. So, you know, not anybody else's, but my personal opinion is these will not be able to be interchangeable in the projects. So if a project calls for a storm duo, I don't believe you're going to be able to use a wave duo or vice versa. The sizing is just a little bit different, and that can make a huge, huge difference in your project. But if you want to check out storm duos, you can go to Potomac Beads website. They also carry the dragon thread, which you know is my personal favorite. I love me some dragon thread. And then the new wave beads I actually sell in my store at offthebeadedbeadstore.com. Like I said, currently the Bead Smith has 18 colors, but I'm sure they will be adding more stock in, and Potomac has a lot of great colors of their storm duos. So whichever one you decide you like, make sure to check them out because they are a neat, neat bead. And I think we're going to be seeing some cool things coming out with them here in the near future. So thank you for watching. I hope you learned a little something today, and I hope you have a great day. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.